Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Houseparty app on your phone. So let's start. First, open the Houseparty app. Now tap on the smiley icon on top left corner. Here you will see you can add friends or you can see your friends. You will also have some suggestions. You can add friends by name, add from your contacts, add from Facebook or Snapchat. You can copy your profile link and share it with your friends. Now go back and tap on the settings icon. Here you can edit your profile. You can change your profile picture and select one from your gallery. You can also change your email, your full name, your username. Now go back. You can edit your permissions for the app. You can enable private mode. You can also log out from here. Now go back to the main screen. To access your inbox, swipe up and tap on the DM icon on top right corner. You will find all of your conversations here. You can also start a video call with your friends from here. Now go back and if you tap on the camera icon on top left corner, you'll be able to send your friend a face mail. All you have to do is, you have to record a face mail, and send them. Now if you tap on the plus icon on top right corner, you will be able to invite your friends from your contacts to this app. You can also add new friends by searching by their name. And if you tap on the dice icon, you will find games here, such as Uno, Trivia, 8-Ball Magic, and many more. You can play these games with your friends while staying on the video call. And that's how you use the Houseparty app on your phone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.